Hey, what's up, Investor Z? Well, I mean, let's see how far this thing can go. Yeah, shit, I'm still in that trade from last night, I think. Oh shit, what the hell? Oh damn. Oh shit. Oh damn, I didn't know that. Hmm. So I had my target here at 31 earlier this morning, and in real NQ fashion, she misses it by 1 point. But I'm up 7,000 in the sim. Or I was up 7,000 in the sim. This one contract before it rejected was worth $1,000, $2,000. Wow. 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 Yo, that's freaking crazy. Gateway says he smoked that short pulled pork straight down to 688. Yo, congratulations on that. Yeah, damn. 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 Well, I guess you guys know that so I already made money today in my accounts. I didn't lose accounts, but I hit the personal DLL last night. So I don't have any accounts to move forward with today. So I guess we'll just keep practicing my scalp strategy in the sim. So far, I was up about $7,000 with it. Um, as long as I follow the rules of the strategy, it seems to work. It just always seems when I deviate from the strategy, that's when it doesn't work. I guess that does make sense, right? I mean, you can't add five and make two. So I mean, I guess it works, right? I guess it makes sense. But man, gold literally had me thinking like, God dang, do I really know how to trade gold? Do I know how to trade gold for real? You say you looking like the little kid that can't get on a Ferris right now. I'm going to be taking my talents back to the NQ. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. He's coming home. He's coming back to the NQ. Shit, go have me in my feelings, man. Not necessarily, man. Shit, no, I turned into a damn scholar. I was thinking, I was like, damn, do I really, like, what's really going on with gold, man? This, I mean, first it has these little push-ups, and then when it pulls back finally, I mean, it seems like you gambling. Felt like I was gambling. I was able to catch this move right here in my funded account. So I mean, those are locked out for the day. He's able to catch this move at 28 to the tick, man, and was able to trade it to that trend line, and then it dumped. I was originally looking for like 13 points. Actually, no, this is the original entry right here. My original entry was right here. And then it pulls back literally 2 points from my entry. And then it goes. And I was originally looking for 13 points, but this is the 50K account, so it's strictly 90 ticks. I can play for 13 points in like the Top Step account or the bigger accounts, but those 50Ks, 90 ticks, that's it. No exceptions. No exceptions. But I was kind of beating myself up this morning because I was like, well, I can kind of get 13 ticks in this to kind of make up for some of these losses that for whatever reason I've been having. But I gotta stick with the consistency. Yo, Investor Z, that is so close to the truth. Like, I really was deep in thought. I turned into a damn philosopher, dude. I was like, what the fuck? What's really going on? Had me thinking about, how I should react in certain situations and shit. Like, I'm not going to allow gold to control me emotionally, I'll just accept what happens. I was just thinking about ways to how to tweak the plan and shit. Like, I was like, God damn, gold. Trying to make me into a better man? The NQ like me for who I am. You trying to turn me into a better man or some shit? Oh shit, hold on. K-Trader, you says, yo. Yo, congratulations on that, K-Trader. Congratulations on that 2K payout, man. That's exactly right, Investor Z. Exactly right. And I realized that. Gold's like, no, I want you to look nice because when you go outside, you representing both of us. You represent both of us when you go outside. So I want you to look presentable. And Q's like, oh yeah, baby, you look nice. Those new shoes. I hear holes in your socks is now the rage, baby. You look good. Yeah, I know Investor Z's The investors have been locking his account out, being responsible, showing, you know, like I mean, I talked about this already, but uh that X platform really does begin to, you can start to build trust between you and yourself, locking yourself out, showing that control. Because I mean, with the X platform, all you gotta do is lock yourself out, and the platform will do everything else for you. Now you can sit there and say, man, I could have been in this, but now you're not scared of yourself anymore when you get on the charts, because a lot of traders, they're scared of themselves because of what they'll do when the market or when a move doesn't go their way. That's why I always recommend that before you even take that trade, you review your risk settings and lock yourself out before you enter into the market. So you're not put under, so you're not put in a situation where, oh man, should I follow my rules this time? The system's already doing that for you. And I follow that rule all the time. Like before I took this trade and before I took this trade, I mean, I locked myself out, man, of my risk settings. Oh shit, I didn't. I thought I did. Let me just lock it anyway. I'm already locked out though. I'm locked out of this account anyway. Or maybe I locked myself out of my, I don't know, maybe I didn't. That's interesting. Anyway, I thought I locked myself out of that because I usually do. And see, that's okay. Now I got to make sure that I do it now for sure, because if that trade didn't work out this morning and I saw that my risk settings wasn't on, that could have left the door open for me to revenge trade and adjust my risk. But and then I didn't follow my rules last night for this account right here. I traded this account last night trying to get back that loss. Well, not necessarily a loss, but I had an opportunity to make money yesterday that I skipped out on, and I was trying to make that money back in my mind because it was this trade right here from yesterday. This move right here, I had an opportunity to get into it and I overlooked it because I thought to myself, there's no way that this will work. And sure enough, it freaking works. So I was kind of pissed about that. And I traded the account as a result of that. But I won't do that again. Next time, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to lock that account out as well. All right, so let's see. I mean, that kind of sucks, man, because that kind of sucks. That kind of sucks. That sucks. Because the Nasdaq rejected at both of my areas yesterday. I'm greater than that. But this is the NQ. I don't know what the MNQ, what she did. Let's look at that real quick. The NQ missed those targets, my areas from last night. Yeah, the Nasdaq is nasty. So yesterday I was looking for, on the NA meeting, between 835 and 855 for a rejection, and the market misses it by 5 points. So Kind of sad about that. If I had like a limit order sitting right there, that had missed it by 5 points. I wonder why they just didn't take it. And then I had another entry at 735 to about 755. And you can see that right there, we did get a rejection. So technically it is a winner, but it breaks out of it, uses this area as support, and we got to break a structure right here. So I'm going to be looking at this area tomorrow for an area of interest, 735 to 55. Or we'll see what happens. All right, let's see, man. I mean, to kind of getting into this is kind of dangerous. Look how clean this chart looks, though. This is the Nasdaq. Look how clean this chart looks, man. Mm. Mm. Yeah, it looks like the market's gonna. Man, that's crazy, man. This shit bounced. Mm. This thing bounced all the way back to my break even. Mm. 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 Oh, I'm not talking. Oh, I guess I'm talking to myself. Oh, no problem. Like I'm also listening to something in my ears right now. And I was just repeating what it was saying, really. Mm. Well, yeah, man. Gold got me going crazy, man. That's how you know it's good, man. When you go crazy for it. That's how you know it's good. Yeah, gold does not break out, man. This thing does not break out. Gold is only breaking out when we got some crazy news or something like that. And that's kind of been the, if we can get a strong close, I mean, we can get a strong close, I'll take it. Mm. There goes the Nasdaq working hard not to hit them targets again. We'll see what happens because we do got that break of structure down at 40. We do have that break of structure at 40. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on like 40, 50-ish. See how the market reacts, and then we got those. We have VWAP and the 200 EMA about to cross right at that little block right there. So my plan is I'll take the profits and trail it as it goes up. Hmm. Sometimes I just wonder, when I have a target, I really wonder like why the market just doesn't go through it and hit it. I feel like, I feel like that first target should be an easy one to fill. It should be easy, but for whatever reason, it just tends to not be. I don't know what's up with that. You say you're short? I mean, I do think that the market is going to continue to go down, but what I was looking for in this situation is just a scalp back into resistance. I might have to adjust this. I might have to adjust this strategy. I might have to turn this down to like 72 or something like that. Hmm. Dang. You know, dang, Nasdaq. That was kind of nasty. That was nasty, man. Wow, look at that. It's working so hard, not just to hit that first one. Working so hard, Nasdaq. I think I can get that first and second one hit. That third one, I don't know. That third one would be kind of lucky if I get that one. All right, so we got that. See if we can get that second one hit. Mm. Come on in. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, dude. All right, man. Looks like we got a breakout on gold. Breakout on gold. Breakout. Oh God damn. God damn. Gold. Man. Damn. All right, there we go. Gold breaks out. So all shorts are now invalidated. You gotta buy that pullback. Shorts are now invalidated on gold. She just broke out of hourly supply. So now we gotta just wait for a pullback. And she's holding above it too. She broke out of hourly supply. She just broke out of this area right here, so. You know what I'm gonna do with this scalp strategy? I think what I'm gonna do is what I'm gonna do is protecting capital. All right, so all right, gold. I'm Nasdaq being nasty as freaking usual, as per usual of her. If it gets above, let me think about this. Let me think about this. Let me think about it. All right, so I got a target at 80. All right. Actually, I forgot how to do this. Actually, no. I'm not supposed to do the auto break even. Supposed to do it like this. Stop loss. All right. All right. All right. So we was in the right location. We definitely was in the right location with the Nasdaq. I was just looking for a move back up into this area, and we got the rejection from that range. So let's see if we can find something else. You know? Yo, congratulations on that, K Trader. Yeah, I'm glad to see everybody making money today, man. Glad to see everybody making money. Damn, look at that candle on the Qs. Man, look at that candle. All right. Yeah, gold ain't gonna make this easy, man. This shit is. All right, let's see if we can scalp this, man. Gold ain't gonna make it easy, man. She gonna give us no clean pullback or nothing. Or maybe she would. You see how they see, and this is the one thing that I always appreciate about gold. Look at the price action. Look at how they tried to break out of this trend line, and then when they finally got it, all the bears that was short in this area. This is why we got such an This is why we got such an explosive move outside of this area, because the bears were trying to short a rising support trend line that turned into resistance. We have the bears trying, and this is when they finally failed, and now we're getting all those layers of stops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 layers of stops getting ran right here. And that's why we're seeing such an explosive move like this. So the hope is that we can get a pullback. That's the hope. So everybody else can get into this. And the bears can potentially try to get out around break even as possible, as close to break even as possible. Shit, at this point, they might as well just put you in a damn Pro Plus account, Alfred. Alfred has been a live trader with TPT so many times. They might as well just like, yeah, this is Alfred. You might as well just put him in a damn live account. Save him the trouble. So Gurman says the short GC here. We'll look at gold in a second. But Alfred, I think actually let's talk about that. Let's talk about that guy. Right now, we don't want to fall under the trap of years of work that turns to overnight success, because that's what happened. He was building those accounts up over time. He stated that he's been building those accounts several months, and he was able to take those payouts. So we don't want to fall for that. Oh man, he did this in 3 days, because they're going to over exaggerate details and get traders to think that, oh man, it's possible. I mean, it is possible. Our boy Smith made $30,000 from $500 in a week. 2 weeks, I think. A week or 2 weeks. So, I mean, it's definitely possible, but he definitely, that Lonto guy he definitely said himself that it was over months of work, and he took that payout. Okay. Yeah, I mean, the name of the game is to get paid out, though. I mean, I wouldn't have so much money sitting in my account like that without, I think he said that he has, or that he was taking payouts, though. And that he was taking payouts. All right, so Garmin seems like it was right. Let me actually look at gold right now. Let's see if it hit it like a pre. Okay, so yeah, it hit supply again. We're in another supply zone with gold, all the way from October. So it looks like we're from October 22nd through 23rd. We're in a supply zone on gold. So let me look at this. All right. I don't think it goes all the way back there, because the Bears tried once, the Bears tried twice, and then they pushed up. All right, so my game plan for gold, and because look at how many, I mean, we talked about this, but now I'm looking at it. I'm gonna probably get in around that little R. I'm gonna get in that R3. I'm getting in that R3. I'm gonna get in that R3. A couple of ticks before it. I'm gonna get in that R3. Because I'm sick and tired of that. Okay. So Nasdaq figured out, or she decided to come back and stop me out, but that's fine. Oh yeah, so I watched a random video about I think it's from the Futures RR Futures channel, and it was talking about the Tradeify competition, and I knew I wasn't going crazy. I was like, there is no freaking way that someone made so much money in such a short amount of time with the trading parameters that they had set. There is no way. And apparently that's exactly what was happening. People were trading both micros and minis at the same time. And that's how they were able to get such a high balance in such a short time. So apparently Tradeify did reset those balances to zero. Or people that they determined did not follow the tournament rules. But I already kind of decided that I'm not going to waste my time in and competition accounts. I'm not gonna waste my time because that right there, I was motivated to trade it until I saw that. I was like, dude, there's no freaking way, man. There's just no way. I would join a trading competition if they don't allow bots and they don't allow actually, yeah, as long as they don't have bots. I'm not going to sit here and waste my time, waste efforts against a bot that doesn't go to sleep. It just trades all day. It scalps, close positions, and just does that on repeat. I'm not. If I'm trading against another human, then okay, let's do that. But I'm not going to sit here and waste my time and efforts on no competition account. I want to be just like Lonto. I want to beat the competition of these prop firms like, damn, this man just took $1 million from us. That's the competition I want to beat. Maybe down the road when I become more established, a more prominent figure in the trading community, because I mean, I'm not going anywhere. The only thing I can do is grow, become bigger. Once I get things the way that I want to get them, maybe I'll do it then. But right now, I'm in my foundational stage. And honestly, that's a distraction. It really was a distraction. And I knew it was a distraction. I shouldn't have allowed it to distract me. Okay. Damn, it looks like the Nasdaq is not letting me get that first scalp target without a fight. She's not giving it to me without a fight. I mean, it's an easy target. I mean, it should be an easy target. An easy first target to at least readjust my stop down. That should be an easy target, but for whatever reason, Nasdaq is making this hard. Yeah, that usually, dude, that usually happens. Okay, so, all right. All right. Yeah. I mean, I haven't been stopped out yet, so. That usually happens though. After a breakout, it does kind of pull back, a slight pullback, and then it pushes back up to kind of test that. You know, I'm gonna implement that in my strategy too with gold, because it does do that a lot. Yeah. Hmm. All right. All right. So let's see. Let's see if we can get something going on gold. If I can see a strong push off this 21 EMA, I'm gonna get in long on a scalp. I'm just looking for a strong push off that 21 EMA. That's what I'm looking for here. Or the 50. One of the two. 65. All right. Ah, okay. All right. Okay. Let me get in. Damn it. Stop that. Okay. I'm in. Oh. All right. I'm in this. Let me make sure that I got my 18 tick stop, 18 tick first target. All right. Okay, of course. All right. All right, of course. All right, so we got that first target hit. So I can kind of readjust my stop a little bit here. There we go, baby. Let's go. Let's get a retest of that high right there. I might readjust this down. I might readjust it to 36 ticks, maybe. I might readjust it to 36 ticks. Or what I could do, I could set it up the same way that I have it set up with the Nasdaq. I could keep it at 45 ticks and have the same thing happen. So at what, 39 ticks, have the stop pop up 3 ticks behind it, and then just follow it. All right. Yeah. I'm going to, and then I'll trail that final target, 36. So that will be 8, 15, 5, 75. So I would have been out of it already. Ooh, there we go, baby. All right. There we go. Keep on going, gold. I see you, baby. I see you, baby. I see you. I see you, baby. Great gold scout. Look at that go, man. Look at it go. Look at it go. We're going to keep trailing it. Don't stop till you reach the top, baby. Don't stop till you reach the top. That's what I'm talking about. Dang, gold. Dang. Dang. I guess gold is trying to apologize, man. She took her teeth out for your boy. There you go. Taking them teeth out. Damn, gold, you going crazy right now. My girl just came in here like, what the fuck you talking to? Take them teeth out. Take them out. Yeah, girl, keep on going. Keep going. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. And with them eyes wide open too, man. She got her lashes done, everything, man. She looking cute right now. Makeup done. Man, she got her makeup done, tied her hair back, and she's apologizing to your boy right now. Keep apologizing. Like, I'm sorry, Sherm. I know I've been treating you so bad. All right. There we go. That was a great trade. Great fucking trade, man. Great trade, man. Great trade. Great trade. All right. That's what we talking about. Great trade. We're going I'm gonna get this scalp strategy down pat, man. We're gonna take these scalps, man. Make more money that way. All right, so we get another breakout on gold, man. She's breaking out at another supply area. So shit, Alfred, shit, you might get your 4,200, man. Unless gold is going to be nasty here and reject or front run that level. All right, so we got another breakout. All right, let's see we'll see what she does here. Yeah, she can't call herself an eater if she leave a mess. Can't be leaving no messes. Six five. All right, man. Let's see. It's Hoover. Let's see. All right, so this trade kind of is invalidated. I mean, if we get a pullback all the way to 47, I don't know, man. That's a lot of momentum coming down. We got price breaking out, pulls back. I mean, shit. All right, so what I've been seeing consistently happen is we get these big breakouts and then we get a slight pullback, man. A slight pullback and a continuation. And I've been seeing this a lot. And then it continues to go. It takes out the previous high. So I'll probably take a trade like this on a bigger account, but on the 50Ks, I already got a game plan. I got to wait for a deep pullback on a 50K account because I can't go heavy size, safely trade heavy size without blowing the account instantly. Let's see. Let's see if she's gonna. Let's see. Because we got another breakout. Let's see if she'll hold this. I'll buy a strong candle off of that EMA. Strong candle. We'll buy it. Why not, man? Get a strong candle. Closing above that EMA, we'll buy it. And the strategy is simple. As long as price stays, as long as the 50 EMA is underneath the 21 EMA, I'm going to keep buying until it flips, and then I'm going to sell. It's just going to be that simple. We haven't had a strong close yet. We haven't had a strong close, so we don't buy until we see that strong close. And try to... Yeah, I mean, I already got max allocation for it, so I mean, I can't even take advantage of it, which sucks. They only allow you to have $6,000 of. So when I was reading the documentation for TFD, they really don't want you to copy trade. They don't want you to copy trade when you live. They will suggest that you combine all of your accounts into one account, but I think it's a recommendation and not a requirement. But I don't know. I haven't been live with them yet, so I wouldn't know how they do that. And then I would ask support. I mean, it's in a documentation, but I'm pretty sure if you want to copy trade with them in your live account with multiple accounts, I'm pretty sure they'll let you do it. All right. Yeah, that's why we gotta wait for that strong close above the EMA, man. That's why we gotta wait for the strong close. Because if we don't get that strong close, then that just tells us that the buyers are not there. You say you're not ready to copy trade yet? You know, I guess I will say this. My biggest, let's see, this could be a right here. Let's see. Could be an opportunity right here. Strong close. We get a strong close. I'm buying. Strong close. Buying. Come on. Can we get a strong close? Okay. That's not a strong close. In order for me to, I mean, I'm still working to get over that, but it seems like what's been working for me. Ah, shit. Man. Oh, no, I gotta come in. I gotta limit in. No. Gold. Why? I thought you were apologizing to me earlier. Oh, man. Damn it. Damn. That's not fair. Damn. No. Gold. Why? No. Gold. Why? Shit. I don't know, man. I'm gonna try it, but I'm gonna try it. God damn it. Shit, that would have been my first 84, 88. So yeah, I would have got that first and second target hit. And I would have got stopped out on the runner. Damn. But kind of going back to what I was saying, how I'm overcoming the copy trading thing is winning or losing, accepting what happens. Win or lose, man. Win or lose, I'm accepting what happened, kind of going over it. I've detached myself from passing the account. And right now I'm focusing on just getting over the mental hurdles of copy trading. Yeah, I'm just trying to get over the mental hurdles of copy trading. I think I'm there. I've been copy trading my funded accounts. And how I have this set out in my mind is focusing just on the process and not the outcome. And I think shifting my mindset from focusing on the process and not the outcome has been a tremendous help, because now I don't have to worry about, oh man, am I going to lose this trade? Am I going to win the trade? And, I'm thinking about, man, if I'm successful, I can get 3 times the payout. And it can become so overwhelming, especially if your psyche is not ready for that type of success. And I think I need to say that again. If your psyche is not ready for that type of success, because that within itself can be a mental hurdle for copy trading. Because if you get a payout, just imagine you got 3 accounts. You can probably take at a minimum $1,000 out. You just got yourself a $3,000 payout, and a lot of people can't mentally handle that because of how they or what their core beliefs about money are or is. We all have our number that, for whatever reason, when we get close to it, we begin to falter. I don't necessarily have a number. I have a state of mind. If I feel like I have too much, that's when the self-sabotage program begins to run. If I have too much excess, like if I have like, I don't know, like $10,000, $20,000 in my savings, then my self-sabotage will keep me in that area if I don't purposely try to get over that hurdle. If I just passively do what I'm doing, I'll stay there. I mean, I'm doing it now. Smith's number is 100,000. I don't know what it is about with him with the 100,000 mark, because if he was with us when we first started, Smith would grow his Apex accounts to $100,000, taking multiple payouts. And for whatever reason, he gets to that 100K mark or close to it, and then he blows the entire account. And he's already passed the threshold. He has a 150K account. He's grown the account 90,000, and he just blows it. So like I said, a lot of trading is psychological, mental, and you have to kind of get over your mental hurdles. You have to check your core beliefs. And once you kind of do the work and kind of discover why you have these beliefs, I mean, obviously, it's probably from your childhood. Mine's is from my childhood. Obviously, I've already shared that growing up in poverty has definitely impacted me. I'm scared of poverty. Like there's a, or I don't want to use the word scared. There is a phobia of poverty. So I'm always doing things to move myself further and further and further away from poverty, because I just absolutely hated being in that situation. Hated it. I felt like I was being attacked by the world, because like, what did I do to deserve to live like this? And that has definitely, I've carried that baggage for a long time. It was only recently that I kind of had the space to really sit down and do the work and kind of go through all of those feelings, all of those belief systems, everything. And even though I did all that work, there's still remnants of it. So, I mean, it's not all gone. It's definitely some of it stayed persistent, but I guess the point I'm trying to make is that you're going to have to do the work. If you want to become comfortable copy trading, you have to first start. You have to detach yourself from the outcome. You have to go inside yourself or go into your inner world and discover, why are you afraid of copy trading in the first place? What makes copy trading so uncomfortable? Is it that you don't want to lose two accounts at the same time? Is it the expense? Is it you don't want to lose, like as an example, there we go, baby. There we go. Keep on going. All right. Is it that you don't want to lose the money? Is it the financial aspect? I mean, you just have to discover that, really. Oh yeah, I gotta kind of trail this. All right, look at that. Gold is going crazy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just start scalping, man, because honestly, I kind of hate waiting for opportunities to present itself and shit. So I think I'm just gonna, I mean, I guess so far so good with this strategy. So far so good. I mean, we've had a couple of losses, but honestly, yeah, that's exactly right, Alfred. It's crazy. The human experience is just a stupid contradiction within itself, man. It's just stupid. It's just stupid how Damn, dude, like, god damn, gold shit. Shit, baby. Damn. Yeah. Keep doing it like that. Damn, baby. She really trying to show me that she's sorry, man. There we go. All right, baby, I forgive you. We can be friends again. We can be friends again. Yeah, congratulations on that, Alfred. Yeah, and that's what a lot of people's concerns are. It's definitely, I think a great example of this, and this is a very simple example, but if you go into the gym and you want to start your fitness journey, and we're not talking about bodybuilding or anything else like that. We're talking about just being able to maintain your physical health. If you go into the gym and you get on the bench and you throw on 245 plates and you've never lifted a damn you never benched, or you haven't benched in your life up until that. Actually I'm gonna move this stop back because I kind of want to see how the kind of want to see this real quick because I didn't see it work. I didn't see it, so I kind of want to see what happens because I want to make sure that my stop for the second target works. But anyway, if you go into the gym and you try to bench 245 plates on one time and you haven't benched before that, man, that is going to be a canon event, as what they say, because man, you might die. Especially if you ain't got nobody spotting you or anything. Shit, that could be your last time for sure. All right, let me just close this because I just kind of want to see this thing work. That's all I want to do. I just want to see it work. So when we really implement this strategy, man, I don't have no concerns. Okay, let me see it work because I didn't see it work before. You have to gradually build, and that's something that I've been doing. At first, I try to do exactly that. A lot of people go into the gym with their ego. They look around and they see other people, you know, they don't know how far along they are in their journey, but they try to replicate what they see without actually putting in the same amount of work. And they get humbled because of it. And one of the tactics that I used in the gym when I first started out was gradually incrementing the weight as I progressed. Like I gave myself a 27 to 36 day minimum. So like as an example, I would start off at 50 pounds, and for 27 days, I would get my body used to lifting 27 pounds or 30 pounds or whatever. And after that mark passed, I had to go up. So I don't get comfortable at that level. I knew that if I didn't put in the work to move on to the next level, then by the time I move on, it was going to be a very hard time for me. So gradually I go up, and now I'm at a point now where it's like, I can't believe, like I can see how much I've grown because now of how much I can lift now, or how much I can push. Yeah. 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 I mean that's true. And like I said yesterday, I mean, Gold is really trying to turn me into a better man, dude. Like she was like, man, I know you can be better than that, Sherm. I know you can be better than that. No more of this bullshit stuff that you be doing. Lollygagging. Because man, dude, after yesterday, I really sat down and was like, damn, damn. I canceled all of my Apex accounts except, well, let me rephrase that. I closed majority of those accounts. I'm only down to three accounts with Apex because I was just playing around in those accounts, not taking them seriously, blowing them. But I mean, this scalping strategy is going to be only exclusive for these Apex accounts, and that's why I'm kind of practicing them now because I have to make so much to get a payout, $28,000. So there is no way that I'm trading this account the same way that we did. Like what? It took us 30 days to get the 20K. There's no way I'm doing that again. That's too long, and that's a lot of effort for. It's a lot of effort for no return. If I can make 20K in 30 days in this account by trading small size, I can do that in a 50K with the same amount of effort. Okay. So far, I mean, before this little drop happened, I was up 9K in this account, just scalping away. Well, I'm in the sim, so I mean, it don't really mean nothing, but I mean, I scalped my way to 9K and was just following the rules. Let me ask this AI bot because I really I don't think it's gonna give it to me easy. Okay, I think I have my, okay, I think it's set up correctly. I just need to confirm that it's set up correctly, and we'll just start implementing this strategy. And then I did the math. If I want to, so Apex has a 35% consistency rule. I think it's what, 35 or, yeah. Okay, there we go. All right, all right. So I confirmed it. I confirmed it. That's all I needed to. That's all I needed to see. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So this is how the strategy is going to look. I'm going to go get in with 4 contracts. So I'm going to explain the strategy, and I think this will be really good for gold. And I also have another strategy for the Nasdaq that's very similar. But what I'm going to do is I'm always have every position is going to be 18 ticks. The first target is going to be a 1-to-1 with 2 contracts coming off. That's going to at least give me $3,600. I'm not sure if I want to move my stop to, because I mean, this is Apex, so it's going to be trailing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trail after the second target is hit. And then I'll trail the last one a couple candles back and try to get as much of the move out of this as possible. Because what this strategy kind of do, what is it? What this strategy does, it allows me to not really focus on how much points I'm getting. Because honestly, if I get that first and second targets hit, depending on if I get, that's only $800. And then whatever this last target goes, I can add that onto that. And since this is GC, this is not gold. I'm not paying crazy amount of money in commissions, and I can take multiple trades, trading with the momentum. Allows me to protect myself and take my profits and try to get as much money out of this move as possible. And then but then it does require me to kind of be patient though. Yo, congratulations on that, K Trader. Another payout. Congratulations. Our boy said that he was long gold and short the Nasdaq and getting paid on both. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. If I see opportunity on Nasdaq, I'll take it. But if I see the opportunity on the Nasdaq, I'll take it. But honestly, I have to. The Nasdaq has just slowed down tremendously. All right. Prop firm rich. Yo, congratulations, Gabe Trader. You definitely earned it. Definitely earned it. And just like K Trader said earlier, that's what Lonto has been doing. Just been growing his accounts over time. And now he's getting paid for his hard work, growing it over time. Let's see if this thing will let me come back in this. So we got the strong push off the EMAs. The market is still buying. I was supposed to already be in this if I was kind of paying attention to it. Strong push. You're just going to buy the break of that candle. That's all the strategy entails. Look at that. Would have got the first target hit. Let's see if we can kind of get, it's going to be nice here. And yeah, nice. Oh shit. I'm on the wrong one. I'm in the wrong strategy right now. I was in the wrong strategy right there. All right, so and then this one is going to be a runner. All right. And this is supposed to be, I'll just put that right there. $92. All right, so my stop would have been right there. I would still be in this. You about to go? Okay. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna start a personal next month. I'm gonna start a personal. I'll trade that alongside the prop accounts, and obviously that's going to be strict. See, I'm not going to try to recreate Smith's success. I don't need to make $30,000. That would be nice if I can do it, but we're just gonna grow the account. They're gonna gradually scale in, and I'm not gonna go tilt. I mean, shit, I am not going tilt. Not in my account. I'll go tilt in these prop accounts, but I'm not going tilt in my own personal account. I'll just accept the loss and just look for another opportunity. That 15-minute look crazy right now. I got to see what the bulls, what everybody's talking about in the think. Alfred sent something. I don't know. I don't know. I guess let's watch it. What did Alfred send? What did he send? Okay, that's not a strong. In order for me to, I mean, I'm still working to get over that, but it seems like what's been working for me. Ah, shit. Man. Oh, no, I gotta come in. I gotta limit in. No. Gold. Okay, that's not a strong. Okay. In order for me to, I mean, I'm still working to get over that, but Go was just being nice to me in that situation. She came back for your boy though. She came back. That's all that matters. She came back for your boy. You know, shit. Nah, they ain't saying nothing right now. You know, everybody was talking about short and gold, so I was interested to see how. I mean, this is why we're seeing such a big move. Everybody and their mom is shorting gold or was shorting gold at that supply. That's why we're seeing such this big, strong move to the upside. Look at all the supply that it just took out. Look at all this supply, man. Gold has just been crazy. You know, the crazy thing is I had literally an entry at the bottom today. And unfortunately, it was in my funded account. So only thing I took was 90 ticks. So I was in at 128.3. So this thing almost missed me entirely. And from 128 to 196. Wow. What is that, about 68, 70 points? Almost. And all I took was 90 ticks out of this move. This man, if I was in a funded account, I mean, if I was in a funded, I mean, well, not a funded. If I was in my personal account, I can't confidently say that I would have probably took profits at that high, at least the high, unless I saw a breakout. And then I would have tried, because with these momentum moves, I got to be in the mindset of when we see a breakout, I mean, the market is running stops. So I need to make sure that I'm in on these momentum moves and have a momentum based strategy. Or implementing my momentum based strategy, implementing it. Yeah, gain weight it was. Yeah, it was a breakout. Well, I mean, the strategy says keep on buying. You get a strong close here, then, you know, I have to buy this. Actually, you already got a strong close right there. Let's see what it does. I would not implement a strategy like this and on the X platform. It has too many issues. Too many issues. I would not do this on the X platform at all. Well, if I see a break, if I see the break, I would need to see a break first. Let's see. I would need to see a break first. Strong candle, strong rejection. We can at least see. We can at least actually, you know what I'll probably do? I am gonna take this short, but actually, I think I need to get one right here. I missed it. All right. Oh my god, I did the same damn thing again. All right, gold, please. There we go. Nice. Nice. All right. Okay. I'm actually looking to get long around 84. So I'm actually looking to get long there. Man, I wish I had I mean, I'm glad I made money today, but it would have been nice if I didn't hit my personal daily loss limit last night in my trade in my Top Step account and my I'm gonna hold off on buying. I mean, right now the EMAs are flat. I don't want to buy it when the EMAs are flat. Or I see a rejection, break, pullback. That's probably what I should have waited for. If I see a strong rejection off of the EMAs, I'll try to short it again. Ah, shit. All right, well. Well, are you sure? Are you sure? Are you doing the math right? And I only ask because in situations like this, when you know your emotions are running high, it's easy to make mistakes. So just ensure that you're not, you know, psyching yourself out. Mm. Is Apex, is it 30 or 35% with Apex? I don't really recall. Is it 30%? 30%? Okay, trader, you definitely handle situations like this very well. I'll give that to you, man. I mean, I don't think anybody. I can understand someone can probably because they anticipated, and those types of emotions can be discouraging, and someone can be discouraged, and I can see somebody going tilt off of that. But yeah, damn. I mean, I guess. Mm, there's a $600 loss per day. Oh wow, I'm being foolish. Being foolish right now. Being foolish. This thing is literally right there. It's literally right there. I'm being foolish. Okay, let me see. Being foolish. Mm. God damn, gold. Shit. Like, why are you doing that? Mm. And this is what I have to kind of watch out for when gold does stuff like that. And she's just being nasty. Okay. Well, Damn, that sucks. That sucks. Wow, Gold. That was kind of shit. Gold would sit here thinking that you're wrong. Gold will make you feel like you're absolutely wrong, and then says, "Nah, baby, you was right." What the hell? How many times did I short this and then she just comes back and stops me out? It's like Nasdaq has presented an opportunity to go long. See how this candle closes above this. We can get a strong close here. It's not a strong close right there. I gotta look for a follow-up candle. See how this candle closes. All right, if you can get a good candle, I'll buy it. We ain't got lunch. Shit, look at that candle, man. Look at that candle. Look at that candle right there. That's a strong candle right there. Okay. I think I'm in long on gold too. Yep. We got a double winner, baby. We got a double winner. All right, so I'm definitely gonna keep practicing this strategy right here, because I think what this does What this does is just it moves me away from trying to try to get away with one contract, because I've basically made more. I've made more money with this strategy, but I mean, there's a lot of risk with this strategy. I mean, obviously there's a lot of risk. All right, cool. All right, I can accept that. Okay. All right. Hmm. Hmm. As okay. All right, guys. I'm out of time for this session. I appreciate everybody that joined me today. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good day.